Hey guys, Ankita this side, and today this video is about the important update which is published by Google regarding the program DevFest 2021. So in this video we are going to know about this event, and so it's a good opportunity by Google, and it's a good chance to win awesome swags and goodies by attending simple sessions which will upgrade your skills regarding networking, Android development, web development, and so on. You don't require any prior knowledge regarding any of the stats. So let's just quickly jump into its official site and see what all things are there in these events and how many days event it is, how to apply, how to register, and how to build your profile. And so open any browser and type devfestindia.com. So you'll get this official website by Google which is DevFest India, and this will go to home page and read about the program. So as you can see here, it is the annual program which is Annual Developers Fest, which is organized by Google developer groups across India, and it's a 3-day event with learning, networking, experimenting, and so we'll get to learn, network, and experiment the things. And most important of all, we'll be getting the swags in this event. So when is this event going to be held? Is October 22 to October 24, 2021, and it will be occurring in the online mode on the YouTube. For this, we will go to this link and register, or we can also create our batch. And so this is the curated schedule. It's a 3-day event. We'll be having 15 plus sessions by 50 plus communities, and there will be a panel of judges who will be judging the event. There will be hands-on session, roadmap for developers, panel discussion. As I said, the judges team will be present. Networking sessions and other sessions also will be conducted. You'll get the job opportunities which will match your skills as per the requirement. Next, you will get the developer certifications, well-being session, and finally the swags and goodies. Whoever will perform, like some questions and events will occur in between. So whoever will perform good accordingly will get the swags and goodies by the Dev Fest. And so we can see it is an annual developers fest, and there are 50 plus the Google developer groups communities which are uniting together to bring before you the Fest DevFest India 2021. And so in this section you can clear your queries by going through these questions. Some FAQs are mentioned. You can also find some more FAQs by going here. Like, what is DevFest? So DevFest are community-led developer events hosted by Google developer groups around the globe. So you can go through these FAQs to know more about the DevFest program, how to create the profile, and how to register. So I'm telling you how to register for this event. Simply go to this registration link. You can see this mega event is set to happen on October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. It's a 3-day event. You can simply sign in with Google, and if you don't have an account, create one. The registration, you need to enter some details like email, your name, your city, your country, and the name of the institute. Here you will enter the role or designation. Let's suppose you are a student, or if you are an employee, you will enter the particular designation. You will enter the gender, and these questions are up to you, the way you answer. Like, if you are looking for a job opportunity, it will be a full-time job, an internship, or an internship followed by full-time job. Your years of experience, if you are a fresher, you can go for this, or accordingly you can click on this radio buttons, and here you will answer which community are you associated with. Whichever community you're associated with, just opt that option. Like, if you are in Google Developer Clubs Bangalore, so opt for this. And how did you get to know about this event? You will click on that radio button, whichever suitable. And if you want the notifications on WhatsApp during the event, click on yes, or you can click on no. If anything you want to share with them, you can type in here, and by checking this box, you will submit the button. So by this way, your registration will get complete. Also create a badge for yourself by going here, upload your image. If you want it in this particular way, select this or square or circle, and you can make this badge event. Do apply for the event if eligible, and check out the link in the description given below. Thank you.